Welcome to the channel, you Kookz. We are the Vankookz, Dani and Kevin, and we've been traveling in vans, creating our dreams with a DIY approach to every aspect. This channel is all about you, the viewer, our fellow Kookz. We always say, if us Kookz can do it, you Kookz can do it. And we've designed this channel to be user-friendly and pass on as much knowledge as we can as we paperclip flip from our $500 Australian van to the dream of living full-time off-grid. Whether you are wondering how to build a DIY camper van, a tiny house on wheels, how to live out of your car, or what cool gadgets are out there to help you do it, or how you can actually live a more meaningful, healthy life with less,
you have come to the right place. We specialize in authentic DIY adventures and outdoor experiences and how to live minimally while still enjoying your life to the fullest. The first step to living out your dreams is to create your dreams. Dreams are the seedlings of reality, so let's start creating the life we all dreamed of today. We have lived rent-free since 2016 by living in our van. If you are curious about living a rent-free alternative lifestyle, we provide the roadmaps to help you manifest your dreams into reality via DIY and how to start creating on any budget. We have traveled overseas, lived in a Subaru Outback, built out multiple camper vans to travel and live in, and now we are currently in the works of manifesting our tiny home dreams.
We started this channel to inspire others and pass on the knowledge we've learned through our first-hand experiences. We also couldn't have made this journey without all of you Kookz out there. We speak our ideas into this channel, and our subscribers hold us responsible for bringing our projects full circle. And we are very grateful to have our family of Kookz out there. So don't forget to subscribe and be part of the Kookz family.
We hope to help you embrace your inner kook. Not sure what a kook is? Don't worry, it's not a bad thing. To us, a kook is someone that doesn't know what they are doing, but they don't let that stop them from trying. Kooks don't care about how dumb they look, and kooks aren't afraid to get it wrong. Everyone is a kook at some point, so embrace your inner kook. Oh yeah, I almost forgot something.
Adventure before dementia. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out Vankookz.com. It's packed with information on all aspects of off-grid living, including downloadable budget sheets, wiring diagrams. It's endless. We hope you find our content useful.
And we enjoy growing with you Kookz, so subscribe to the channel and see what we're up to.